Whoa, girls. Right guys, we're at the XL and we're take two. Malcolm's going to be in this if he's not getting out of my way. There we go guys, there's an aeroplane as well. Anyway, we're at XL in London, we're going to the bike show, so let's get in there.
Hi, you're watching Eric Booper on YouTube.
Eric Booper!
MT-07. Nice bike. Hey guys, there's the new Tracer from Yamaha. Oh, okay.
Take your video.
Yeah. Kawasaki 1400. Whoa. Good old Airstream caravan. Here's an unusual Hayabusa. There's the Honda stall.
Changing my radio station.
Let's have a look around some Ducatis. Oh, it's just so busy here today. I just can't get near any of them. That kid's too big for the bike, or is it the other way around? All right, buddy. All right, mate. Yep. Nice, F800 GS, looks pretty good. Quite like that. New GS 1200 Adventure. Oh, there's my new bike. I'm going to definitely buy this one. Yep, I can see me going around the world on this one. Yep, that's a cool bike. I bet that's been around. Look at the kit on that. I think we've had a mishap here. Somebody's dropped the GS. Oops. Who dropped that bike? Oh, wow. Give us a smile. Hello. Oh, there's a
nice.
new bike I like. 1000cc. And I believe that's got the K6, K5 engine and gearbox in it. I had the original. That was a stonking bike. This is be the fared version. The 1000F. Nice bike. Oh, that's a nice Indian. I like that. Oh, what we got here? Oh, look at that. Atom. Aerial Atom 3.5, guys. Olin shocks. Whoa. Not much to it, I must say. Let's have a look at the spoiler. Ace. I don't know what it is, but it looks smart. It's an aerial Ace. 1235cc. Never seen a bike like that one before. Shaft drive, looks like a BMW shop. No, hang on, no, it's a Honda. Honda rear end by the look of it. Wow. Sorry, mate. Nice Aprilia. Yeah. Hello, little boy. Aprilia Tuono V4, one of the most powerful bikes I ever test rode. That is a stunning bike. There we go. But I'm not buying one. Got to look at this, guys. It's the new 1290 Adventurer. That's a mean machine. This is the big boy of the KTM Adventures. It's a lovely bike. This is the 1190, but it's 14 grand. So none of these bikes are cheap. And that one, which is the 1290, is actually about 16 grand. It's a lot of dosh. This is new KTM 1050 Adventure. Still another nice bike. Got to be a lot lighter than the other two. But it's still £11,000, so it's still a lot of money. There you have your three ranges. Here's a funny one. Number 14. Here we go, guys. I've seen something I've not seen before. An armoured shed for a bike. Yeah, real steel. I think your bike could probably be safe in there, as long as you don't lock yourself in. Look at that nice Kawasaki Z1000. That is a sexy bike. Let's have a little walk around this one. Sex on legs, but I don't like the orange bits. But nice bike. Right then, guys, it's been a good day, but unfortunately it's been very busy, as you can see. And sorry if you haven't been able to see all your bikes because people keep walking in front, but you can understand it. Anyway, catch you later, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wow, look at this, guys. We're going to go up there in a minute and have a look at the view, but look at that. Oh, I nearly fell over in the bloody... Look at that. I believe that's just a floating hotel without an engine in. I'm not sure. If anyone like to tell me any different, do say, but it wasn't here last year at the XL, but I've been told it's just a hotel. Cool, look at that. That's smart, isn't it? Anyway, let's get up there, have a look round. There's another view of the ship. Look at that. Stonking. My mate Stevie would like that, look. There's a ship for you, Stevie. Oh, wow. Look at that for a view. That's stunning. Wow. Let's have a look round here. There's London Airport over there, where that bridge is. And the planes fly really low over here. And that's XL, of course. There's a floating ship on a floating ship over there. Oh, it's stunning. What a lovely day. I know it's not bikes, but look at that. It's a gondola ride. Nice. What a stunning day. Fantastic. It's been a great day, actually. Eric Booser's back.